Hello everyone, welcome to Knowledge Seeker, and in today's video we are going to talk about animals listed in Wildlife Protection Act 1972. So let us start with clouded leopard. So this is the image of clouded leopard. As you can see, these are included in vulnerable category. They are found in Himalayan foothills in Nepal through mainland Southeast Asia and China. So basically these are found in mainland Southeast Asia, China and Himalayan foothills in Nepal. These are arboreal forest habitat and primarily green tropical rainforest, also in dry deciduous forest, and they are found up till the high altitude of 2500 meter in Himalayas. Major threats these species are facing include habitat destruction, hunted for skin, bones for medicines, and captive animals. So this is about clouded leopard. Next animal we are going to talk about is crab eating macaque. Least concerned category this is included in least concerned category. It occurs on Nicobar Island of India, especially Little Nicobar and Great Nicobar, where it is found up to 600 meters. Its habitat includes grassland, mangrove, swamp, forest, and can be found in agricultural areas near forest. Basic threats or major threats these animals face include habitat loss and hunting. Now move on to next animal, and that is these are sand cats. They are included in near threatened category, only found in true desert. So basically they are not found in partial desert, they are only found in true desert. And specialist of sand desert, they are specialist species. They are found in true desert, localized around spare vegetation where small populations of rodent, basically their prey population can be found. So they are specialized and they are localized to that area where spare vegetation can be found, which can be supporting their prey population and they can survive on that prey. Major threats these species are facing include habitat degradation and settlement of humans and livestock grazing. So basically these are the threats these species are facing. Next species is dugong, also known as sea cow. This is included in vulnerable category, and its range include coastal island, Barter Belt, East Africa and Vanuatu Belt, latitude 27 degree north to south of equator, India, Andaman and Nicobar, Lakshadweep island groups. So basically in India they are found near Andaman and Nicobars and Lakshadweep island groups. Their habitat include coastal water, wide shallow mangrove and sizable seagrass bed. Basically they eat seagrass and thus they are found where seagrass bed are found. Habitat degradation and loss and indigenous use and hunting for and pollution are major threat faced by this species. Okay, so next species is ermine. These are included in least concerned category. They are distributed throughout North America, Europe, Asia, Greenland, Canada, Siberia and India. So basically in North America, Europe, Canada, Asia, Greenland, Siberia and India. Habitat and ecology. Their habitat include forest edges habitat, shrub alpine meadows, marshes, riparian woodland, hedge groves. Major threats, actually they don't really have any major threat. Habitat destruction due to timber loss can be said as one threat that these animals are facing. So basically habitat destruction is threat for pretty much everyone. Now moving on to next animal, and that is fishing cat. This is included in endangered category of IUCN Red List. Their range include Asia, Pakistan, Indus Valley in India, Nagpur, Himalayan foothills and eastern India, especially Keoladeo National Park. Habitat include wetlands, swampy and marshy areas, oxbow lakes, reed beds, mangroves, evergreen, tropical dry forest. Major threats these species face are wetland destruction because 45% of wetland and 94% of globally significant wetland are threatened, and thus this species which depend on wetland is also threatened. Human settlements, agriculture pollution and hunting and wood cutting is also a threat, and these are the threat about this species. Now moving on to next species, this is four-horned antelope, or it is also called as Chawsingha. This is included in vulnerable category of IUCN Red List and distributed widely is scattered population over most of India from Himalayan foothills to peninsular India. It is also found in Nepal. Their habitat is wooded undulating hilly areas and never far from water. Because they are solitary and browse and graze. Major threats faced by these animals include habitat destruction through the clearance of shrub and forest for agriculture. So these are the threats faced by these cute animals. Next animal is Ganges river dolphin. This is also a national aquatic animal, and this is basically included in endangered category. Its range include Indus, Ganges, Brahmaputra, Meghna, Karnafuli, Sangu river system of south, Asian subcontinent from upstream to where they blocked by barrier. So basically they are found from upstream until they are blocked by a barrier. Their habitat and ecology include cone and counter current pools, below channel convergence, meanders, can't tolerate salinity over 10 ppt. Major threats are water development project, fragmentation of pop, dams, barrages, pollutant loads, deliberate killing, mortality in fishing gear. Next animal is Indian gaur. This is included in vulnerable category. Gaur historically occurred throughout mainland Southeast Asia and Sri Lanka. Their habitat include from sea level up to 2800 meters, hill and low-lying areas, undisturbed forest tracts, hilly terrain, availability of water, availability of coarse grasses. Major threats these species are facing is hunting, habitat degradation, forest fragmentation with human population. Now next species is golden cat. It is included in near threatened species and Himalayan foothills into China and Southeast Asia is its range. Habitat and ecology include forest habitat ranging from tropical and subtropical evergreen to mixed and dry deciduous forest, and major threat include habitat loss due to deforestation and illegal trading. Now next species is golden langur, which is included in endangered category. This is found in Bhutan, Northeast India and Assam forest belt west Assam between Manas river in east and Suncoast Brahmaputra. Their habitat include moist evergreen, dipterocarp, riverine and moist deciduous forest. They are facing major threats that include habitat destruction and hunting. Next species is Malabar giant squirrel. This is included in least concerned category. Southwest, central, eastern peninsula of India, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Gujarat and Kerala are their range. Habitat include diurnal, arboreal species, tropical evergreen, semi-evergreen and moist deciduous forest high canopy. Major threats include habitat degradation, agricultural and plantation, monoculture, dam hunting. Next species is grizzled giant squirrel near threatened southern India, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Sri Lanka, tropical dry deciduous and mountain forest, habitat degradation, agriculture and plantation monoculture, dam hunting. Now moving on to next species, this is Himalayan ibex. It is included in least concerned category. It is found in central and northeast Afghanistan, China, North India, Himalayas of Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh, Hindu Kush range, Karakoram and Trans-Himalayas. Habitat include mountain, open alpine meadows and cracks, not in forest zone. These are hunted for food. Habitat loss due to competition with livestock are major threats. And next species is Himalayan thar. They are included in near threatened category: Himalaya, China, southern Tibet, North India, Jammu and Kashmir to Sikkim and Nepal, Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh are their range. They live in a steep rocky mountainside, 3000 to 4000 of altitude, and grass, herbs and fruit. Major threats include uncontrolled hunting and deforestation, habitat loss due to livestock grazing. Next is spit hare. It is included in endangered category from Uttar Pradesh through Nepal, West Bengal to Assam, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh. Habitat include tall grassland, elephant grass, and major threats include habitat loss, agri-logging, flood control, and habitat destruction. So thank you everyone. This is the all about these animals, and thank you for watching the video.